I'm Justin Farrell, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change a flat. First, you want to go to the back of your car, and usually under there's like a little thing, and then you'll have your spare tire, your little jack. This is to loosen your lug nuts, and this is to spin your jack to make it higher. And you want to grab all of these, take them to wherever your flat tire is with your spare tire. And then you want to see this goes in between the little frame. You slide it up in there. Oh, by the way, make sure you have this paint pointing out. And you put this through this hole. You slide it under the car, and then you spin it for it to push the car up and get the weight off the wheel. All you really need is a tiny gap to just lift the tire off and put the other one on. I already got these loose because they suck. Typically with this, you have to stand on it and kick down with your leg because these are on, and this doesn't give you enough leverage. So take all these off. Then grab it, pull it off. Set it down, grab the new one. The side that's bulging out is going to be the side that's facing out. Get that started, get all these started. And typically lug nuts, you want to torque them down to about 90 pound-feet of torque. And with this little wrench, you don't have a gauge to tell you. So you want to lower it back down to where there's weight on the wheel. And then once it's back on the ground, then you can tighten it. You want to start at one corner, and then you want to work your way to the other corner because you don't want to go next to each other, or that'll make it lopsided. So once you go like this, tighten them all down.
So opposite corners?
Yeah. And you're probably going to want to crank on these things pretty hard. And a few reasons to know how to change your own flat is because if you're on the middle of the freeway or something, in the middle of the desert, and you don't have self-service, and you get a flat, AAA is not going to be able to come get you, and you're going to be screwed if you don't know how to do it. And it impresses the ladies if you're on a date with them. And it's good to know because it'll save you money instead of calling someone to come help you. And that's it.
Good job.